Earthquake terror. Major quake rocks Venezuela and Trinidad and Tobago. A tsunami alert issued for the Eastern Caribbean. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, no to PEP. Teachers call for GSAT to continue until issues with PEP is sorted out.
Stepping aside, Permanent Secretary in the Science and Technology Ministry resigns.
And in business news, we'll review Agricultural Minister to revisit fees charged by Commodities Board.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you support the call for the new JTA president for the government to continue with GSAT until PEP issues are ironed out? Why or why not?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.